For this quick and easy Netflix and chill date night dessert, you'll need a few supplies. A small cast iron skillet, Baker's Joy baking spray, your favorite ice cream. I'm using Bluebell Millennium Crunch. You'll need frozen pull-apart cookies that have been brought up to room temperature, a knife, a spoon, an ice cream scoop, and your oven preheated to 350 degrees. You want to start by spraying a light coat of the Baker's Joy spray into the cast iron skillet. There's a light coating. Next, you want to take a single row of your cookies that are now at room temperature and cut off 3. If you're doing a family Netflix and chill night and you are using a larger skillet, just gauge it gauge the number of people that you're feeding based on the number of cookies that you need. If you're using a 10-inch or larger skillet, then you should prepare to use the entire tray of cookies. You want to place these into the small skillet. Place them in a triangle formation. And then you want to take the back of your spoon and press to fill the bottom of the pan. It should look something like this when you're done. You can add additional caramel, nuts, any chocolate candies, anything you like before you place it into the oven. But make sure that if you add any additional toppings, whatever you add, make sure that you give them a nice push down into the batter so that they're not just sitting on the top. You want to place this into a preheated 350 degree oven for about 12 minutes or until the cookie is golden brown and has a little bit of crisping around the edges. When your cookie is golden brown, take a scoop of your favorite ice cream and serve it a la mode. Grab a spoon and enjoy. Thanks for watching.